I'm Sam Kwong, currently Associate Vice President of Lingnan University. Large language model in the past basically implied by its name mainly used for languages, right? But since the development of the large language model, then they come more. Then we have the so-called vision transformer. Then we add one dimension of the deep learning model. So when we say large language model, then we have image, video, as well as language. If all three things come together, the information flow between each other. For example, you can detect me whether I'm angry, I'm happy, based on my facial expression. Also, based on what I talk. So this type of two media could add much more content. We have a number of AI projects ongoing. Say we have recently, I think at the Geneva competition, as well as the competition in US, Silicon Values. I think Lingnan University won the most numbers of awards on different applications. I myself just won the gold medal as well as the special award. So this one is very interesting. That is fencing is one of the very popular sports nowadays, and my team has come up with a LLM-based training system. So this system is basically make use of the large language model that could capture the motion of the people, so the skeleton movement. And also we put some sensors in the foot as well as the wrist, and to capture the force in different dimensions. And then once we get all this input, then we train the system, and then the system could make the recommendation as a professional coach, say if you're doing it right and make a few recommendations to improve your action. And the system is not that expensive, and especially it could be easily installed in a basement of some houses or something like that. So that's pretty affordable. One of the concerns about the large language model is it requires tremendous computational power to train a large language model. So the other way to get around it is usually what we are doing is we fine-tuning the model instead of retraining the model. So that will save up much more energy. So, and also make it more feasible for researchers to do research for large language model, because training a large language model requires quite a bit of resources, and you cannot do it too often. I would say interdisciplinary approach is almost a must, because nowadays it's very difficult for a single team to have all the know-how, because large language model is something that you could really go very far, but it also requires more expertise and people to go beyond what we are having. So my recommendation is we have to go beyond what we are now, and then look for collaboration opportunities from different disciplines, and that is the way to make the best use of the large language models. Well, I think it would still be changing. Okay, so in 5 years, although I cannot see through the crystal ball, but I will see it won't stop here. It won't stop here. So, for researchers nowadays, especially in large language model field, technical field, we always have to adapt to changes. So we all know that. At least I myself think this is not the end of it. It's still something we are yet to see.